the woman. You need to do it very slow and very carefully. And we're using the knife, and we can show you the way how to open it. When you go home, Anna Marie, please, you open to your mama and your husband and your children, and you can show the way how the genius guy can cut the pomegranate. We are using the knife. We got the knife from Elsa. And now I can show you how to cut it. Slowly we cut the skin, only the skin. We don't go too much inside. You can see how we do it. We turn the pomegranate.
Madam, I just sent you the
Then slowly we take the skin up. We feel it is already jumping a little bit up. Okay. Okay. Then we take this area and we cut. We make a ring in the center. Then when we finish it, we open with the hand. The special ring is coming out. You can see the ring. And now you can see the pomegranate. When you see the pomegranate, you have the white line. Then we cut exactly where is the white one. Tan is very happy. But don't go too much inside. Do it slowly, because if not, you have a damage for the seal. Okay, when we finish it, slowly with the hand, we open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6, this is the 6th triangle, it's make the David star. After you open it like this, you take the center by hand and slowly take it out, and you got it like a flower. Then you can open and eat and join it. Don't forget to put it in the refrigerator to make it cool before you cut the pomegranate. So Tan, don't take it. We understand? By pleasure. Now, Elsa, thank you very much. Arigato gozaimashita.